Lezi ndaba zohora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli mukelinazi ezinohlonze emini nje.
We decided not to march, but to take other parts of expressing our frustrations in a form of a picket.
Uphiko lwabesifazane lwe-ANC lumashele kumgcini mafa ePitoli likhala ngokwehluleka komnyango ukuhlinzeka ngemali enele kokubhekana nesihlava sodlame oluyamene nobulili. Inkantolo ephakeme yase-Western Cape ilaleleke isicelo se-Democratic Alliance sokuphosela inselelo umthetho wokubuyiselwa komhlaba. Leli qembu lifuna inkantolo ihlonze lo mthetho njengophambene nomthethosisekelo ngelithi awuphasiswanga ngendlela esemthethweni.
So you can't really tell the court exactly what Botha was doing there at the crime scene, correct?
Iphoyisa labopha umsolwa icaleni elibhekene nosomabhizinisi ogubuzelwa ngamacala uVusumuzi Khedmatlala kanye nabana sola nabo lisagcizelela ukuthi ukuboshwa kaMusa Kekana kwakusemthethweni.
I think if we just do our job and do what we do best is, give it everything, play hard.
Kanti masibheke kwezemidlalo ibanyana izobhekana neBurkina Faso ke emidlalweni wokugcina weqoqo B kumqhudelwano weAFCON eCasablanca eMorocco kusasa ebusuku. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni ke zohora lokuqala ezikunqa phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili kwe-SABC1 eMzansi for sure kanjalo ke naku-SABC le hayi igama lami nginguDaud Phungula Mbukela ke singene kuzo ezihamba phambili emini nje. Uphiko lwabesifazane ku-ANC linquma ukubhikisha emahhovisi omgcini mafa namhlanje ePitoli kanti ke lolu phiko lukhala ke ngezinto okubalwa kuzo ukungakhishwa kwemali enele yokuba kunqandwe udlame oluyamene nobulili.
We decided not to march, but to take other parts of expressing our frustrations in a form of a picket.
Unobhala wophiko lwabesifazane ku-ANC uNokuthula Nqaba uchaze mayelana nesinqumo sabo sokuba behambele ehhovisi likamgcini mafa namhlanje njengophiko. Ungqongqoshe wezemali uEnoch Godongwana ubese ethembisa ukuthi uzoxoxisana nazo zonke inhlaka ezithinteka kuloluhlu lwekhalo lethwe uphiko lwabesifazane.
The key question then message I want to send to you is that a number of departments are reflected in this memorandum. We will be meeting with those colleagues. Fortunately, it belongs to one cluster and a number of those cluster departments are involved here. We will be able to send a message as part of the celebration. Unfortunately, it can't be every week. We can tell you that we can signal on the 21st of October what action is going to be taken.
Ngenkathi ungqongqoshe wezemali ebuza ukuthi ngabe ikhona yini imali ezokwabelwa ukuba kubhekwane nenkinga ye-GBV uphendule wathi
In the medium budget speech there will be a statement to the effect that I don't know the numbers, to the effect that there's some work which have been done and therefore there need to be an allocation in the budget. What that amount will be, what it will do, I don't know.
Kusenjalo lolu phiko lwabesifazane ku-ANC lufuna izihlonzwe njengenhlekelele kuleli inkinga yodlame oluyamene nobulili.
Iphoyisa labopha umsolwa icaleni elibhekene nosomabhizinisi ogubuzelwa ngamacala uVusumuzi Khedmatlala kanye ke nabana sola nabo lisagcizelela ukuthi ukuboshwa kaMusa Kekana kwakusemthethweni. uKapteni Phimi Sekgubelo uyaqhubeka nobufakazi bakhe mayelana nezimo ezazihambisana nokuboshwa kaKekana.
Ummeli kaKekana u-Annelies van die Heever uyaqhubeka ukupheka uKapteni Phimi Sekgubela ngemibuzo uthi ngabe wayilandela yini imiyalelo ngesikhathi kuboshwa uKekana.
What must you do with a person that's been arrested after you arrested him?
The person that has been arrested must be detained and taken to the nearest police station to be processed.
Correct. And when you say that, we know you're referring to section 50 sub 1 of the Criminal Procedure Act, where it says any person who is arrested with or without a warrant for allegedly committing an offence or for any other reason shall, as soon as possible, be brought to a police station or, in the case of arrest by a warrant, to any other place which is expressly mentioned in the warrant. Correct?
Usehubela uphinde wapheka ngebhodi elincane mayelana nohlu labo bonke abantu ababengena bephuma endaweni yesigameko.
How many crime scene investigators were there? How many people did you see in these coveralls, these white LCRC coveralls taking photographs?
2.
If possible, can you tell the court the names of these 2 people?
Sergeant Mohale and Colonel Botha.
Yeah, wait.
And is it your evidence that both these gentlemen worked the crime scene at Fifth Road?
I'm sure about Sergeant Mohale. I cannot confirm about Colonel Botha if maybe he was the advisor or if he was also busy with processing this one.
So you can't really tell the court exactly what Botha was doing there at the crime scene, correct?
Icala liyaqhubeka.
Uvele kafushane enkantolo yemanje yaseGoli uBrian Mokgothi ngemva kokubhekana nenselelo yokunqatshelwa ibheyili. Kwavela ukuthi uMokgothi wehluleka ukubeka izizathu eziqinile zokuthi kungani kumele agunyazwe ibheyili kanti kubhekene noxhaxha lamacala okubala nokubake nesibhamu kanye nezinhlamvu ezingekho emthethweni.
Ithimba labameli bakaMkhosi baphikise izinsolo ezengeziwe zokuthi uMkhosi kwasabisa omunye wofakazi njengoba bephikisa ngelithi abukho ubufakazi bokuthi ukhona ufakazi oke wasatshiswa.
There has never been any threats to these particular witnesses. These are not even complainants because from my understanding there are no complainants other than witnesses who specifically witnessed a particular incident or an alleged incident.
Ummeli kaMkhosi uphinde wathi umbuso unalilungelo lokugodla imininingwane yofakazi ozofakaza ngokumelene noMkhosi.
The state cannot simply come to us and tell us that we are not going to give you the names of these particular witnesses without any specific court order, exercising a discretion which is not based in law. Because our client needs to know who are these persons who are actually saying whatever that they are saying against him.
Ithimba labameli baMkhosi baphethe ngelithi abukho ubufakazi obenele ezinsolweni zokusabisa kofakazi othile kanti basola nombuso ngokuba negalelo ekubambezelekeni kwalolu daba.
Ikhomishana yokhetho iIEC ibambe isithangami nabeyindaba okulindele ukuthi ke yethule umbiko wayo njengoba ke ibeqhubeka ke impela sonto yokugcina yokubhalisela ukuvota akeke sicoshe bukhoma lesi sithangami esiqhubekayo.
Of voter registration on the WhatsApp platform. This modality provides intuitive, convenient, and mobile-friendly way to register or update details given its pervasive use. The platform uses secure identity verification measures, including OTP authentication, ID document upload, address verification, and voting station confirmation to protect the integrity of the voter's roll. While WhatsApp registration forms part of a broader voter registration offering, accurate address validation remains critical to a successful registration process. To support this, some voters may be redirected to the interactive map on the online voter registration platform to locate and confirm the rooftop location of their residences. By leveraging a platform used daily by millions of South Africans, the Commission is expanding access to voter registration, improving convenience, and ensuring that more eligible voters can register or update their details before the close of the registration period at midnight on the 7th of August, this Friday. With the successful conclusion of the 2 registration weekends, the Commission now turns its full attention to preparations for Election Day. The next phase of the electoral program will focus on the formal election timetable which will commence once the election date is proclaimed. This will usher in key electoral milestones, dates, and timeframes for critical processes, including candidate nomination, certification of the voters' roll, and other activities leading up to Election Day on the 4th of November. The Commission is encouraged by the uptake of the online candidate nomination system by potential independent candidates as well as political parties. Currently, there's over 93 independents and 87 parties who are active on the online candidate nomination system. We continue.
Mbukeli sathi shalele edolo kanti ke sabuya nezinye izindaba zosuku ngemva kwekhefu ngayindawo. Mbukela sikubekelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena sikukhumbuza ukuthi le indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngena kuze uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjalo uzozithola ngomjalo bazo. Imeya yaseKapa uJordan Hill Lewis uthi komkhandlu dolobha uhlose ukwenza konke okusemandleni ukubhekana nezinga lobugebengu obudlangile. Uphinde ke waqinisekisa ukuthi ke abazimisele ke ngokuqhudelana namaphoyisa kepha bayawalekelela.
Our Metro Police are prepared, well-resourced and ready to take on this additional function. And yet every attempt to get successive police ministers to sign off on those powers has been either met by total silence, by veiled attacks against us in the media, or by empty promises that in fact they do agree, and if we would just give them some more time, they will get it done. These veiled attacks and empty promises or total silence are not helping. And sometimes there have been suggestions that we are trying to take something away, that we are trying to compete with SAPS. I will repeat what I've said countless times before on many platforms. The city's goal is not to replace SAPS or even to compete with SAPS. Our goal is to help SAPS, to support SAPS, because the point is to bring crime down in Cape Town in South Africa.
Wayeyimeya umasipala eKing Sabatha Dalingiyabo Eastern Cape uNyaniso Nelane kanye ke nabane asola nabo bavela ke enkantolo ekhethekile yamacala ezemali eMthatha babhekene ke namacala ahlobene nenkohlakalo ummeli wabo ufake isicelo enkantolo sokuthi achithe wonke amacala abathweswe wona. Intatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uNomzwanele Mngoma uyabika.
Manibulise nakubabukele ekhaya singaphandle ke kwinkundla apha eMthatha nalapho bekuvele khona owayesakuba ngusodolophu uMr Nyaniso Nelane kunye nabanye ke abane atyholwa nabo kwityala lorhwaphilizo. Uyokhumbula ke into abakhona isimemo esasithi uya eKZN kwinkqubo karhulumente ngokweHawks ke kwafumaniseka into ba kwakungenjalo kodwa ke sinaye uMr Raymond Noku weUDM na neliqembu ke eli ekudala limele lomba worhaphilizo ingakumbi komasipala. Mr Noku masiqale ke ngoku alimiswanga okokuqala kuyaqhubeka nokumiswa kwetyala. Inenza nizive njani nina lonto ukuba kungabi khonto ihambela phambili ngokuxoxwa kwetyala eli?
Manibulise. iUDM okokuqala iyazihlonipha inkqubo zasenkundleni. Bavelile kokokuqala bavela ukuba bebizwe ukuba mabawuvela enkundleni. Namhlanje bavele ukuba besiya namagqwetha abo uyobonakalisa uba banabo abantu ababameleyo. Naloo nkqubo siyayazi uba yinkqubo leyo efanele uba yenzeke. Asizuyigxeka siyayivuma kodwa sithi nge-24 zika-August njengoba ityala limiselwe i-24 yokuba sowujonga ngaloo mini ukuba ityala eli lizode lisuke na lide liqhube lithethwe. Kulapho sifuna khona ukuya khona. Okwangoku sizovuma uba inkqubo yenkundla mayiqhube ngohlobo lwayo.
Manibulele Mr Nock. Mr Nock lowo we UDM esitsho esithi imali evezwayo le 57,000 incinci kakhulu kunemali ebebeyibonile bona kunye nabantu aba bavelayo enkundleni abaphelelanga. Ebesitsho ke besithi bazothatha amanyathelo bazawuya nase Central Police Station bayokuvula ityala befuna into babongezwe abantu bavele bonke abantu ababandakanyekayo kwelityala. Banibuyisela intambo kuni e-studio.
Umsola wesithathu ecaleni lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa uMthobisi Mncube utshela inkantolo ukuthi waboshwa mhlazi ngama-30 kuNhlangulana ka-2020 lapho atshelwa khona ukuthi ungumsolwa ecaleni lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa.
Umthobisi Mncube uthi ngesikhathi eboshwa mhlazi ngama-30 kuNhlangulana ka-2020 abaphenyi becala wabagcina ngalelo langa aboshwa ngalo abaphindanga ke babuya kuye kuze kube umhlazi ngama-26 kuMfumfumu.
Yebo akekho longabagcina nge-30 June 2020.
Ubuzwe ukuthi wazizwa kanjani ngesikhathi uBrigadier Gininda emtshela ukuthi ungumsolwa kuleli cala nanokuthi izithombe zakhe zisabalala ezinkundleni zokuxhumana.
Wayengeke kwazi uGininda ukuthi angenze secomparate mina. Ngoba naye wabona vele mayifika ukuthi lento le ekhulunywa abantu basendlini nesetatementini akusiyiyo la ibonayo kimi. Abantu basendlini bakhuluma ngomuntu omnyama yena wafica umuntu omhlophe ejele. Abantu basendlini bakhuluma ngomuntu onegold teeth wafica umuntu ongenagolide ejele. Abantu basendlini bakhuluma ngomuntu oneziqhomo wafica umuntu ongenaziqhomo ejele. Abantu basendlini bakhuluma ngomuntu onamehla amakhulu wafica umuntu ongenamehla amakhulu aphumela ngaphandle ejele.
Umncube uthi abenzekanga ubulungiswa njengoba uBrigadier Gininda engazange amise lapho kwakukhonjwa khona abasolwa.
Ngithi naye waya kubantu ababili ngoba wayefuna lokho ayifuna yena. Kodwa uba wayehamba ngenqubo yomgomo wecala wakumele yena ayenze ayideparate. Ngoba icase ngoba njengana ayideparate lapho kimi kahle kahle kunokungabikho ubulungiswa kimi. Ngoba abantu basendlini bona bayamazi umuntu abambona kwakumele bemkhombe ayideparate nanga umuntu esambona.
Icala liyaqhubeka.
Izakhamuzi zaseVaal zithi kunzima kakhulu ukuphila ngaphansi kwesimo songalungiswa kwengqalazinda osokunesikhathi eside yamosheka.
Unombulelo Maduna ukhala ngobunzima abhekene nabo nsuku zonke ngenxa yephunga lendle elixakile. Uthi nezinye izakhamuzi ziphila ngaphansi kwalesi simo nosekuyisikhathi eside zikhala ngalenkinga.
Iminyaka sihleli apha. Hlela apha phakathi kwamanzi indlomo ephakathi kwamanzi. Ebusuku kungena umnuko wongathi kubolile. Siyagodola ekseni siyagodola sihamba phakathi kwamanzi.
iDA ithi umasipala wasemfuleni wathola imali elinganiselwe ezigidini ezingama-96 ukuze kuhlinzekwe izakhamuzi ngengqalasizinda kepha izakhamuzi zithi awukho umnyakazo owenziwa.
We can't clean our yard. This grass is always growing by this sewer. So we need our assistant, and our children can't play anymore inside their own homes or in their yard. So we are asking for that for our children so that they can have a nice yard so they can play. This sewer is not good.
Isishamthetho saseGauteng sithi imisebenzi yokulungiswa kwenqalasizinda isiyanga sekupheleni.
National and provincial interventions are currently underway. These include Section 63 interventions under the Water Services Act. Second to that, the establishment of the Special Purpose Vehicle formed through partnership between Rand Water Services and Emfuleni Local Municipality.
Karuma sibheke kwezemidlalo Banyana izobhekana neBurkina Faso emidlalweni wokugcina weqoqo B kumqhudelwano iWAFCON eCasablanca eMorocco kusasa ebusuku. iBanyana idinga ukunqoba kanjani ukuze izibeke ethubeni lokudlulela emzweliswaneni nomkhumula jezi walomqhudelwano njengoba ihlele emsileni ngephuzo elilodwa.
Emuva kokuguqiswa eTanzania ngamagoli 2-1, iBanyana bebuka ngathi siphumile kulomqhudelwano ngesikhathi ilandela iVivory Coast ngamagoli 2 emidlalweni wesibili weqoqo B. Kodwa leli qembu likwazi ukulinganisa lo mdlalo njengoba wagcina kuphela lamaqembu ebambene ngamagoli 2. Ukuguqiswa kweTanzania iguqiswa eBurkina Faso komunye umdlalo kunikeza iBanyana ithemba lokudlulela phambili. Kodwa leli qembu kumele linqobe na kanjani emidlalweni wokugcina weqoqo.
It's been like a tough past couple of days, but what's positive about that is that we've played similar kind of teams, so we know what to expect. And fortunately for us, the result went our way, and I think we're ready to take full advantage of that.
Amaqembu amane azodlala emidlalweni yandlelo wamanqamu iwona azohlungela ukuyodlala kumqhudelwano wendebe yomhlaba ngonyaka ozayo eBrazil. Esinye isizathu esenza lo mqhudelwano ube mqoka kakhulu.
I know for a fact it's not going to be easy. Burkina Faso is going to fight. They will want to progress too. I think we all have the ambition to go to the next round, and I think obviously the fact that the World Cup spot is at stake, that gives us an extra, boost.
Umdlalo wakusasa uzoqala ngehora leshumi kusasa ebusuku ngokwesikhathi sakuleli.
Mbogele sathi qhu 8 kanti uMasibuya sizobe sikuphathela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu wena ngayindawo. Mbogele sizibeka la bese kuphathele zona emini ehlangabezoza kwethu nezindaba ngolimi lesindebele umagamanxa yohara lesihlanu kanti ke thina sizobeka ke nezinye izindaba ngeyohara lesikhombisa kusihlo kwamanje Mbogele usali kahle.